yung national na pinag-arrange, talagang all-out support sa efforts. No? So, in-assure ko si Mayor na kung ano man ang kailangan ng city, nandito yung pinag-arrange. Kasi yun talaga ang dinirect sa amin ni PBBM. Nandito si Sec Rex noong Saturday. I could not make it, pero I made sure na as early as possible makapunta ako dito para talagang mamobilize natin lahat ng support na kailangan ng so, nandito tayo ngayon sa pangalan ng bridge? Panul-Iran Bridge na wash out. No? Ano na to almost 20-year-old bridge na ito, no? Pero still bridge lang. No, 20 years old na, 2005 pa na tayo. So, inagos siya ng malakas na tubig noong weekend. No? Yun, wala na yung bridge. Nakita natin yung bridge. Hindi na. No, banda doon. So, dahil din doon sa bridge na wash out, tinamaan din yung bridge yung flood control natin dito. So, dalawa yung kailangan gawin natin dito sa Barangay Abuno, no, na kailangan natin immediately magtayo ng temporary steel bridge ulit habang magpupondo tayo ng permanent bridge sa 2027. No, kasi ang immediate concern natin is makatawid yung mga residents ng Iligan City. So, kinumit natin kay Mayor Fred, we will start mobilizing the reconstruction of the temporary steel bridge. Hopefully, in the next 2 to 3 months, matayo na natin yung So, before the next rainy season, hindi lang nakatayo yung body bridge, nasara na rin natin yung sirang flood control. Because I was telling Mayor and RD, the biggest problem natin is if hindi natin ayusin yung nasirang flood control, if there is another typhoon event, no, and the waters of the river, of the Iligan River to, yes. Iligan River, again go up, sisirain ang buwan. No, meaning, the waters will destroy this entire flood control segment. Kasi papasok yan yung tubig mo, wawasakin yan. So, urgent yan. So, we need to fix the bridge and the flood control before June. So, that is my instruction now. Our magaling na RD here. Mabilis naman yan. Siya yung gumawa ng Buda Bridge ng 2 months. Ay, Buda Road sa Bukidnon, tsaka sa Davao ng 2 months. So, kayang-kaya niya. So, he already committed. We will start mobilizing. And that is our commitment to Mayor, to Congressman. Na before the rainy season, meron na tayong bridge and ayos na rin yung this year. Now, I went also to the Tubod Bridge kanina. So, yun yung umapaw na bridge, no? Yung Iligan River, dun umapaw sa Tubod Bridge. So, our head of Oplan Contrabahas and the Secretary Kalima is here. And we will immediately mobilize Oplan Contrabaha in Iligan as per the President's directive. And we will prioritize 2 things. Number 1, yung massive desilting and dredging of the Iligan River beginning sa outfall, palabas ng dagat para mabilis na lumabas yung tubig sa dagat, and then we will dredge up from downstream from the mouth of the river sa dagat all the way going up. No, apart from that, there is a existing drainage master plan for Iligan City. No, and we will start to implement that in 2027. But the immediate action natin, we will dredge, we will desilt, we will make the capacity of the river bigger para mas mabilis ang paglabas ng water from the river out into the ocean. Ang problema kasi, medyo na perfect storm tayo ng weekend. Nagkaroon ng high tide at mayroong tubig na nanggaling sa river. So nagsulubong ang tubig galing sa river at yung high tide, naipit ang tubig dun sa bandang Tubod. And that caused the massive flood. So we will have to do 2 things. We will have to dredge, so to allow more capacity, then we will have to start planning for the full implementation of the Drainage Master Plan in 2027. Kasi unfortunately, wala tayong for flood control this year. Pero that does not mean that we don't do anything in 2026. So we will have to do what we can in 2026. And that is dredging, clearing, and declagging of the drainage. Ngayon na, we will start now. I told Undersecretary Kalima to send the team over already immediately after we leave, and then we start planning, and hopefully we can start organizing equipment and resources as early as DE next week. We'll DE. I'll instruct DE. DE, let's start mobilizing yung open kontrabahan natin as early as next week.
Yes sir.
At least yung clearing natin ng
Yes sir.
Alam mo, ito nga yung nakaka-frustrate. Sinasabi ko kay Mayor kanina. Magpa 5 months pa lang ako dito. Pero talagang everywhere I go all over the country, pareho ang istorya. It's the same story. Unfinished bridge, unfinished road, unfinished flood control, lahat unfinished. No, yun ang problema. That is, I think, the story now. No, na talagang paulit-ulit na naman nangyayari. I had a conversation with Mayor Fred last Saturday on the phone. Marami pa ng mga projects, sendong pa. So that's 15 years ago. No, 2011 yung sendong. Hanggang ngayon, hindi tapos. No, ang problema dyan, hindi na popondohan, hindi na pa-prioritize. So I reported this to the President. I will report it to him again when I see him tomorrow. So we have to finish all the unfinished. You know, when I was going here, nakita ko yung coastal road, unfinished din yun. Nakita ko yung bridge, nakatayo lang yung mga poste, unfinished na naman. And I see it everywhere I go. Mayor, it's not just you, no, it's everywhere. And that has to change. Problem, it's a problem na dekada na. Sendong 15 years ago. Ito, 2005 pa, 21 years ago. So talagang, it has to change. No, we have to, ako talaga ang gusto ko, ayoko magsimula ng bago hanggat hindi natatapos yung mga hindi pa tapos. Nakakainis, nakakagalit talaga. No, ang daming inuumpisa ang mga bago, pero ang daming hindi tapos. So I think that needs to change. Nasira ito kasi tinamaan to nung bridge. Okay. Pero si Engineer Mika, yung head ng ating flood mitigation, she's saying na the structure looks okay. Pero ang problema, syempre, pag bakal na tulay yung tumama sa'yo dyan, wala kang magagawa. So we just have to fix it. But we have to ensure that we monitor the quality. Pero kasi pag hindi natin tinaayos to, at nagkaroon ulit ng paglaki ng tubig sa itaas ng bundok, pababa dito, sira lahat yan. May pondo naman tayo this year for maintenance and repair. And meron naman tayong disaster funds, no, yung quick response fund na sinabi ko na kay RD na gawin lang. Pero wag na nating hintayin, ipamobilize na natin yung pag-aayos. No, mababa yung tulay dahil silted heavy yung river. That's the problem. Hindi, nakita nyo naman ang babaw na ng tubig. Ibig sabihin nun, and tinanong, confirmed it with Mayor, he does not remember, and Mayor has been what? Mayor for 3 terms or more than? O second term. In his term, wala pa siyang naaalayang dredging at desilting. In his memory. No, so we have to discuss. We have to make the river deeper. Kaya mukhang mababa yun kasi bawat bagyo, bawat baba ng tubig, bawat high tide, nagdadaga ng silt, nagdadaga ng buhangin, ang dagat, nagdadaga ng buhangin, ang river. Kung di ka magdadredge, silt, babaw na naman. Kaya the bridge looks very shallow. So we have to dredge. No, but that is a 70-year-old bridge. Matanda pa sa amin ni Mayor Fred yun. No, times 2 namin ni Mayor Fred. Kasi 30s lang kami. We have to find a way to first retrofit that bridge and replace it. So right now we don't have the funding for it. We have to plan it first and then kasi 70 years old. Kapitana, mayong buntag. Kapitana, ang isa nating problema, kita mo yan, meron tayong tulay dito, pero hindi tayo makagawa ng connection sa highway mo. Ha? And dahil doon, bukas ito. So pagka nagkaroon ulit ng basya o sendo, pasok ulit yung tubig dyan, sira ulit. Kawawa ka naman. So kailangan maayos na natin yung connection nito para masara na ito. Ha? Pero may right of way doon. Kailangan namin ng help ko at saka ng help. Ha? Kailangan kausapin yung mga may-ari ng lupa dito. May DE. Kasi kung hindi, ipa-expo ko yan. Kawawa naman sila. Mabuti magbayad na lang kami. Diba? Tulungan mo kami, ha? Okay, kasi pag hindi mo kami tinulungan, papasok ko yung tubig. Kawawa yung mga residente dito. Ha? Okay? Problema mo yan. Ha?
Yan nga.
Okay?
Kaya magpapatulong
So,
din ako sa inyo.
Hindi, tulungan
Tulungan tayo.
Babayaran naman natin sila.
Tulungan.
Pero siguro, huwag naman masyado kami tataasan yung presyo. Para naman sa kanila ito. Ayan o, bukas o. Ayun, nakikita ng media o magkapo. Kaya nangyari dito, sinira niya ito kasi yung tubig nandito, kasi pumasok yung tubig dyan, pumunta dito. Ayan o, double side. Kinain niya yun. Kaya nasira ito. Sinira ng mga bato dito, sinira din dito. Kasi nga, ayan, buwan ng tubig. Ha? Matagal, ilang taon na itong bukas?
Mga 4 years, I think.
2021.
Ilang taon ka nang nakabigay sa approach mo?
4 years po.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mandulog River, Mandulog. Report sa akin ni Mayor, and ang kabilin-bilin na ni PBBL is kailangan talaga yung mga nasira ng bagyo, kamukha nitong flood control nito, kailangan maayos agad. Bago mag-start na naman yung tag-ulan ngayong 2026. So, dalawa ang naging cause nung unang-una, lumaki yung Mandulog sa riverside. Pero dahil merong butas doon sa may tulay doon na hindi din tapos, na 4 years na pala hindi tapos yung tulay, dahil may butas doon, pumasok din yung tubig dito sa side ng community. So yung flood control nasira sa side ng river, sa side din ng barangay. So naipit, no? At ang daming mga batong malalaki na pumasok. So yung dalawang problemang yun, kailangan natin ma-address. Kasi unang-una, kailangan maayos ito kasi nakita naman, mabutas na doon, and nasira na rin yung sa side ng river. Kailangan maayos yun. So, kausap natin yung contractor, yung Jewish contractor. Since kasama pa to sa warranty, gagawin nila to, sisimulan na nila ngayon, tatapusin nila yung pag-ayos until before the rainy season sa July, June. Yun ang commitment nila kay DE. And si DE nakatulog yan. Walang gastos yung gobyerno. Mukhang tama naman yung design, although papadouble check pa rin natin, pero kailangan matapos ito at masara. Okay, kung isa pa natin kailangan isara, yung butas doon sa may tulay. So, ang instruction ko, kailangan gawa ng paraan na kahit temporaryan lang, masara yun. Kasi pag hindi natin isasara yun, sisirain na naman. Pagka meron na naman bagong basya o sendo, sisirain na naman ang tubig. Gagawin natin ngayon. At the same time, mukhang meron kami nakikitang problema sa river kasi bumibilis yung tubig. So mukhang ang suspensa namin, I don't know kung tama, pero parang merong quarry operations doon na nakaka-aggravate dito. So, nag-commit naman si Mayor na he will address it, no, we will support him. I will also inform the DENR. Pero kailangan ma-address din natin. Kasi kung hindi natin a-address lahat ng problema nila, maulit lang na maulit. Masisira. So, we have the full support of Mayor. We're very thankful. And the Mayor naman can count. And our Kapitan, si Kapitana, nag-commit na rin ng support. No? Si Kapitana will help us